Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to find working HelloFresh promo codes online the right way, no scams. So first, you need to use Google smartly. Start by going to Google, navigate to your search engine and search HelloFresh promo code July 2025. You can change the month to keep it fresh and updated. Now tap only on trusted coupon sites like RetailMeNot, like Groupon, and even check HelloFresh official offers page at hellofresh.com. For now, let's go with this one. Okay, let's go to the code section. And here, let's tap on this one. Once you find a code, just copy it and paste it during checkout at hellofresh.com. You'll see a discount applied if it's still valid. New customers can often get up to 16 free meals or free shipping just by signing up with their email on the HelloFresh site. If you're a student, use sites like UniDays or Student Beans. They sometimes offer exclusive student discounts for HelloFresh. And that's how you find HelloFresh promo codes online in 2025. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.